This dance is called Commitment. It's a 48 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on our right foot, we're going to do some shuffle steps going backwards. So these are these 1 and 2 count timing steps. Right foot leading, going back. It's right, close, right. Repeat with the left, left, close, left. We're now going to do a full turn. Over our right shoulder, over 2 steps. So we're going to make that half a turn as we step the right forward, further half a turn as you step the left back. Into a sailor step. This is sailor step, 1 and 2 count timing steps, behind, side, side. Now there's going to be a few sections in here that if you haven't done some of these steps before, I would suggest you try and remove them. So that full turn is one of them. If you can do it, great. If you're struggling, just walk back, right, left, instead of doing the full turn. Now I will demonstrate the full turn whilst we're actually walking through the dance. I will be doing the non-turning option, walking back, when the music is on. Once you've heard the music, you will get a better idea as to whether you think you can actually do that full turn or not. Because I think you have to move quite fast to get your feet around to do that. So that section once more then, back shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, back shuffle, full turn, sailor step. Now we're going to try and do the mirror opposite, going forward this time, in reverse. So we're going to start off with the sailor step with the left foot leading. Remember, 1 and 2 count timing steps, behind, side, side. And rather than a full turn this time, we are literally just walking forward, right, left. Shuffle forward on the right, shuffle forward on the left. So again, 1 and 2 count timing steps for them. So that section once more then. Off on the left, sailor step. 7, 8, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle. Let's add those 2 sections together. Shuffling back on the right. 7, 8, back shuffle, full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle. Weaving to the left. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, make a quarter turn to the left as you step that left forward. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, shuffle forward on the right. So again, there is a 3/4 turn there. Do try and do these turns if you can. The dance is always that much better when they've got the turns in. If you do struggle to do the turns though, there is a non-turning option for you. So you can weave to the left, so we cross the right over, step the left to the side, cross the right behind. Don't do that last turn, step the left to the side. Rock back on that right, as you recover your weight on the left, make a quarter turn to the right, shuffle forward on the right. It's a non-turning option if you struggle to do the turns, but do try and put the turns in. So if you're turning, choreographed steps are weaving to the left, right foot starts, 7, 8, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle. So add that to the top. Shuffling back on the right. 7, 8, back shuffle, full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle. Okay, we're now going to weave again, but this time we're weaving to the right. Left foot leading, so we cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right foot. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on that right. Now you're going to make 3/4 of a turn over your left shoulder to face 9 o'clock. So it's like a 3/4 shuffle step, 1 and 2 count timings, 3 steps, left, right, left, left, right, left. Get yourself facing 9 o'clock. So it's 3/4 cha-cha-cha. You're trying to do it on the spot as much as possible. Now again, if you struggle with that 3/4 turn, what you can do is you can rock forward on the left, recover on your right, still doing that shuffle turn, but just do the quarter to the right. So it is an option for you if you're struggling with that 3/4 step. So that section once more then, crossing left over right into this weave. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, turn, forward, rock 3/4. And hopefully you're facing 9 o'clock. So let's add that to the top. Nearly there. Back shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, back shuffle, full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, forward, rock 3/4. So from here then, cross your right over the left, hold. Now we're going to do a jazz jump backwards. So the left foot's going to go first, so you're going to jump back on the left, right, hold. So that's your jazz jump. Repeat that with the left foot leading. So you cross the left over the right, hold, jazz jump backwards, right, left, hold. So that section once more then. You cross on 1, you hold on 2, jazz jump, and on 3, hold on 4. Cross on 5, hold on 6, jazz jump, and 7, hold on 8. Just so you can see what the timing is in that little section. So let's add that to the top. One tiny little bit left to go. Back shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, back shuffle, full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, forward, rock 3/4, cross, hold, just jump, cross, hold, just jump. Now to finish the dance, we're going to do some knee pops. Now it's really important when you do these knee pops, your knee has to stay in alignment with your foot. It's so easy to just bend it to the side, but you must be able to see the toe of your foot in front of the knee. So don't just bend it to the side, you will do your knees some damage. So when you do these knee pops, you'll probably find automatically that you will just move your knee and the foot will stay in place. Do not do that. Make sure you move your foot at the same time. So your foot has to turn as you do your knee pop. So there's going to be a few of these knee pops, so your feet are going to get used to doing a bit of movement. So you're going to pop your right knee across the left. So remember, move your foot, hold. Then you're going to do it with the left. So your right goes back as your left crosses and hold. You're then going to do right, left, right. So the left goes back, right, left, right. So it might take a bit of practice to actually do that. So that section once more then. It's knee pop, hold on 1, hold on 2, knee pop on 3, hold on 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Remember, move your feet as well as your knee. Don't want anybody ending up with bad knees as a result of bad dancing. Okay, so you've been warned. That's the end of the dance. Once you've done those knee pops, and you hold, you start on your back shuffle. So let's put it all together. Back shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, back shuffle, full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, forward, rock, 3/4, cross, just jump, cross, just jump, knee, 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 knee. Like I say, it'll take a bit of practice. Okay. If you get it right early on, you'll be set for the rest of the dances that have got knee pops in. So that is your dance. It's a 4-wall dance, so let's go through the other 3 walls. Back shuffle, off on the right. 7, 8, back shuffle, full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, forward, rock, 3/4, cross, just jump, cross, just jump, knee, 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 hold, back shuffle, full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, forward, rock, 3/4, cross, just jump, cross, just jump, knee, 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 back shuffle, full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, forward, right 3/4, cross, just jump, cross, just jump, knee, 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 knee. So that's your dance and your walk through. I'm sure some of you will actually recognise the music as well. Let's give it a go. Full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, forward, rock, 3/4, cross, just jump, cross, just jump, knee, 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 back shuffle, full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, forward, right 3/4, cross, just jump, cross, just jump, knee, 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 back shuffle, full turn, sailor step, walk, right shuffle, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, turn, step, right shuffle, cross, side behind, turn, forward, rock 3/4, cross, just jump, cross, just jump, knee, 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 back shuffle, forward, turn, sailor step, walk, walk, right shuffle, cross, side behind, turn, step, pivot, right shuffle, cross, side behind, turn, forward, rock 3/4, cross, just jump, cross, just jump, knee, 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 back shuffles, sailor, breathe, jump, back shuffle, sailor, jump, shuffle, sailor, jump, back shuffle, breathe, jump, hope you all manage that.